Hey guys, this is how to design Instagram story highlights covers in Canva. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your Canva application on your device. And from here guys, in order for you to design an Instagram story, just tap on this plus icon down below in the middle. And from here, just search over here, IG highlight cover. And as you can see, you will have this one option. So just simply tap on it. And after that, guys, multiple template will pop up and you can choose from there. So from here, as you can see, we have multiple options over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one. And from here, we can actually choose. So let's say I'm gonna go for my travels. And from here, you will have a template. And guys, from here, you can tap on a color over here, which you can change the background. Or guys, you can just simply go ahead and tap on elements over here. And you can just simply provide an element. So let's say I'm going to go for airplane. And from here, you will have various options that you can choose from by going for the graphics over here. And you can just simply select a element or a graphic. So let's say I'm gonna go for this plane, for example, and I'm just gonna make it small. And as you can see, we can actually customize it and we can change the text over here as well. And from there, you'll be able to edit your Instagram highlight covers. And if you want to save it, just simply tap on this icon over here. And after that, you'll be able to save it into your gallery. And from there, you'll be able to upload it into your story highlight cover in Canva. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.